Hello everyone. Here is how we create a new Canvas course. So first we go to courses and we click all courses. At the top we can see this button plus course. Click it. Now give a name to this course, maybe yes 202. And then you don't need to change this. Just click create course. Now we have a blank course. It doesn't have any modules. I like to draw your attention to the settings a little bit. Settings. All these course navigation. There are so many items. So to avoid confusing our students, we need to remove a lot of these from our course. Please note, as a teacher, we can see all of them. The thing is, we don't want students to see so many items here. Let's do it. Go to settings. And we will go to navigation. Before we do that, I like to draw your attention to the time zone. Please choose the appropriate time zone. The time zone for our country is +7. So here +2, +3, and so on. Scroll down to +7. Please choose Bangkok +7, which is our time zone. Now, next, let's go on to navigation. We want to disable a lot of items on the left here. So to disable these items, there are two ways. The first way, I want to disable assignments. So here, the ellipsis, click and then click disable. It should come here. Something wrong now. I click, it doesn't work. Don't worry, you can also drag the items. The second method is to drag the items down here. You don't want student to see this, so drag it here. You don't want the student to see this, drag it. Just drag one by one. Keep modules. Let me drag everything down. I just keep the items that are useful for the students. So here I only keep 4. Please note we can't disable home. So now we are done. Oh, sorry. Module must be there. Okay? We must have module. Okay, module grades and so on. Let's move module up. Scroll down and save. Okay, we can go home. You can see we have the icon, the eye with a slash. This means student can't see. In fact, we allow students to see announcement and modules, but still the student can't see. The reason is we don't have the content yet. We haven't created a module or an announcement yet. After we create one of these, we will see them, okay? Now I like to show you how our students can see our course. So the top right corner, we can see student view. Click that. See, the student can only see home and grade. Just leave student view. Let me create an announcement. So click announcement, the plus sign here. I just type greeting as the title and then the message. Maybe good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our online course. And then just scroll down in the top right corner, save. Okay, now we can click home a bit. You can see announcement here doesn't have the icon, meaning that student can see. You want to know this for sure, click student view. See that now student can see announcement. After you create a module, a student can also see one more item here. So they will see a total of 4 items. So that's it for creating an online course in Canvas.